Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete unwanted extra page from Microsoft Word. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Here in my Microsoft Word document, I have a blank page here, and look here on the lower left corner, the page numbers, 4 pages here. Click on View tab and click on Multiple Pages. And look, here I have 4 pages, but the third page is blank. Again, click on one page. Place your cursor on upper left corner on the blank page and press delete for several times. And look, the page is deleted. And now the page number is 3. The blank page is deleted. Now another way, click on View tab and click on Multiple and place your cursor on the bottom of the page before the blank page and then press several times delete. And look, the blank page has been deleted. Look, now the page number is 3. Now I am going to show you the another way. Click on View tab and then click on Navigation pane. Click on Page tab and here you will find the blank page. Select the blank page and press delete. And look, the blank page is deleted. This is the easiest way to remove blank page in Microsoft Word. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.